Hi students, welcome back to our maths class. In this video we are going to see chapter 13 exercise 13.8. okay, first question. Before seeing that, students listen. Volume of sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, volume of hemisphere, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Is it clear, students? Now let's move the first question. Radius is 7 centimeter. We have to find the volume. What is the formula here? 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r, that is 7. So 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, so if you simplify it, you can get the answer 1437 1 by 3 centimeter cube. Is it clear, students? Good. Then students listen. Second question. First question, second subdivision you have to do by yourself. Is it clear? Check. Okay, then second question. Find the amount of water displaced by a solid spherical ball of diameter 28 centimeter. Okay, students listen. Already you have learnt in science. Okay, science subject. Here some amount of water displaced by this solid spherical ball. Okay, so this volume of water, that is equal to volume of spherical ball. Okay, volume of water, replaced water. Okay, volume of replaced water, that is equal to volume of spherical ball. Okay, so you have to find this diameter 28 centimeter. Now for this you have to find volume. So radius, that is equal to 28 by 2, that is 40 centimeter. Okay, amount of water displaced, that is equal to here amount of water displaced. Okay, amount of water displaced, that is equal to volume of sphere, volume of spherical ball. Okay, spherical ball or sphere. Okay, so what is that? That is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, students, so that is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r, here 14. So 14 into 14 into 14. Okay, here 172. Okay, so then students listen. If you simplify it, then you can get the answer 34,496 divided by 3 centimeter cube. At last you have got 11,498 2 by 3 centimeter cube. 11,498 2 by 3 centimeter cube. Is it clear? You just divide it. Okay, like this sum, like first question. Okay, just divide it. At last you have 11,498 2 by 3 centimeter cube. Is it clear, students? Good. Then second subdivision you have to do by yourself. Is it clear? Then third question, students. The diameter of a metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter. Diameter of metallic ball, that is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Okay, then what is the mass of the ball if the density of the metal is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube? Students listen, and before going to see that, students listen. Mass of the ball. Okay, mass of the ball, that is equal to, what is the mass? Volume into density. Okay, volume into density. Okay, here we are given both diameter and density of the metal is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, using this we have to find the mass of the ball. Is it clear? So here diameter equal to 4.2 centimeter, then radius, that is equal to 4.2 by 2, that is equal to 2.1 centimeter. Okay, so volume, that is equal to, because density is given. Okay, so volume, we have to find volume. So volume, that is equal to, what is the formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So that is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1 cube. Okay, this is 3 sevens are the 21.3. okay, if you cancel it, this will be 0.1. if you simplify it, you can get the answer 38.808 centimeter cube. 38.808 centimeter cube. Okay, students. Then students listen. Density, here density that is equal to 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. So what about 38.808 centimeter cube. Okay, students. So for this you have to find that is equal to that for density 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. So mass that is equal to volume into density. Volume that is equal to 38.808 into 8.9. Okay, so that is equal to 345.39 grams. This is approximately. Okay, students, this is approximately. Is it clear? Good. Let's see fourth question. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. What fraction of the volume of the earth is the volume of the moon? Okay, students. Students, listen. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter. Okay. Here diameter is given. Okay. So first we should take radius of earth. Radius of earth that is equal to r. Okay. Then diameter of earth that is equal to 2r. 2r or d. Okay, 2r or otherwise d. Is it clear? Okay. Then diameter of the moon. First radius of the moon. First diameter of the moon. Diameter of the moon. Okay. Diameter of the moon that is equal to 1/4. Na? The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. So 1/4 of 2r, because 2r is diameter of earth. 2r is diameter of earth. Is it clear? So 1, 2. So diameter of the moon is r by 2. Diameter of the moon is r by 2. Now radius of the moon. Radius of the moon that is equal to 1/2 of r by 2. 1/2 of r by 2. Already we have seen the same type of question already we have seen in previous exercises. Okay, previous exercise. Okay, so that is r divided by 4. So here students, once again I repeated, radius of earth r, diameter of the earth 2r. Okay, diameter of the moon that is we are given with 1/4 of, what is that? 1/4 of diameter of earth. So 1/4 of diameter of earth is 2r. Okay, so 1/4 of 2r, that is r by 2. Then radius of the moon, that means diameter by 2. So here I have written 1/2 of r by 2. So that is r by 4. Is it clear? Okay. Then students, listen. Volume of the earth, we have to what fraction of the volume of the earth is the volume of the moon? Okay. So volume of earth that is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. If radius that is equal to r. If radius is r, then what is the volume? 4/3 pi r cube. Is it clear? Volume of moon that is equal to 4/3 pi. What is r here? R by 4 the whole cube. R by 4 the whole cube. Okay. So r by 4 the whole cube. That is, students, listen. That is 4/3 pi r by, this is r cube divided by 4 cube. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 4. 60 into 4. Good. 64. So 64. Here students, listen. This is 1/64 of 4/3 pi r cube. Here I have written 1/64 of 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube is volume of earth. Is it clear? So hence we can say the volume of the moon is 1/64th fraction of the volume of earth. 1/64th fraction of the volume of the earth. So volume of the moon that is equal to 1/64th is 1/64th fraction of the volume of the earth. Is it clear, students? Good. Then